Hi guys, my name's Ty and I'm from the DMS program. I passed my SPI and you can too. Today I wanted to talk about the top 3 tips to pass your SPI. Number 1, confidence. Confidence is key, guys. Don't second guess yourself. Don't change any answers you've already answered. You guys know this knowledge. Be positive and do your absolute best. Number 2, make sure you come prepared. Know the directions, the times, and any documentation they may need from you. Also, make sure you study at least 1 hour per day from your physics book. And number 3, use SMART testing technique, guys. What does that mean? Use the process of elimination. Make sure you guys flag any questions to the end to review so that you guys don't make any mistakes along the way. Use these top 3 testing techniques and tips and you guys are on your way to passing your SPI examination.